Ganun talaga, Brad. Tumatanda na.
Buti nga, nakapagpundar ako ng tani-tani. Mayroong mga pagpapwa.
Eugene. Kabayo.
Saluin mo, saluin mo. Saluin mo, ayun o.
Lugin to.
Brad, cut.
Let's your cellphone. Ito o, tapos apat dito.
Hello, madlang people. Mga tayo malunggay. Mga kayo para gulayin natin. Pero magdala ka para gulayin sa bahay.
Para wala kayong malunggay. Ay, kumembo. Ang laki-laki ng malunggay dito sa kumembo.
Gutom na itong
Showcase your malunggay. Ay, malunggay.
I'm gonna touch the...
Showcase your santol.
Yeah, this is the santol. One of the fruit here in the land of our brother.
Can you give a taste test?
So sweet and good and very nice to our health because so many benefits
Okay.
we can get from this food.
Okay.
Like santol is high in vitamin C and so many other things to
Okay.
get from this food.
Can you showcase can you taste it? Taste test.
Okay.
How to open properly a santol.
Santol, you will squeeze like this. Put in your two knee and then push. Yung kabila bumayak. So, this is how to open the
Kasi
santol.
open lang naman. Ay, ang cute, Brad, ang bahay, Brad. Tignan mo. Brad. Tignan mo ang bahay.
Dalap, dalap.
Brad, tignan mo yung bahay. Ayoko, Brad. Tignan mo, Brad, kasi yung bahay, Brad. Ang cute-cute. Ayun, o. Yun, o.
Okay na. Tinap.
Ayun, Brad, o. Ano ba may sinip ko?
This grass is very good to the chicken while laying egg. Yes.
These are adventurer here.
Yeah, it's very nice here in the mountain. Fresh air.
Brad, pwede ka
lots
maging
of
tour.
vegetables and fruits. Guys, come over here. We have lots of adventure here.
Where?
Okay, halap,
Brad,
pag-ibig.
where ka? Brad, where? Brad, where? Dito, Toy? Bumaba na?
Yeah, she's going there. I think he's very
Sinabi niya?
enjoying here. Okay.
Yung
Yes.
si Tuto, yung
He's not enjoying in this.
Oh.
This
Put
is
in your, okay.
Can you video me please?
Okay.
How you open
oh.
this is the here. You get in the
No,
vegetable. Ay.
you put here.
Okay, no, it's like
Okay,
there.
okay. Repeat, okay.
Okay,
You put here in your toes.
Okay.
Okay. And you,
Uy, kuha tayo malunggay, Brad.
Oh, this beautiful
Malunggay.
woman get some moringa leaves. We put in some kind of called miswa, laswa,
Tapos patola and
patola and
alukbati.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and this man is always eating only, watching, yeah, like that.
Marang yan man.
Mm.
Ito yung avocado inaakit ko, sabi ko 3 palapag.
Animal.
Oh,
Oh, this avocado tree is very tall. It's very tall.
Animal.
Animal. Oh, what do you call that animal?
Animal. Baka yung baka ano.
He's mad.
To me.
He's mad.
Tayo dito, tayo.
She thought I'm bad.
No.
Taking bad.
That is so sad in the Philippines. No, you gotta be more fun in the Philippines.
I don't like vlogging anymore. Ha!
Hi.
I'm coming back. Oh my.
Princess Malagwa sa puma-puma.
Guys, can you put the picture? Okay.
Dali.
Ay!
Baka problema pa yung idulot nyo sa amin.
Tama.
Oo.
Ang layo pa naman ng kalsada.
Buti man lang sana kung masemento kayo.
Paano kami makatakbo?
Yung kalsada natin di pa masemento,
Ganyan ang kamay kayo, matitigas ulo nyo eh.
Kaya nga.
Ilaga natin mga ulo nyo pag lumambot.
Ito si Jasmine pa sinunok.
Kayo nadulas dyan. Na
May pasok na kayo.
Okay.
Ay, tara na, uwi na.
Refreshing. Yeah, another pababa. And another pababa. So guys, come over here. Okay, one.
Uy.
Three. Count. Go. Go ahead, over there. Go down. 2, 3, 4,
I thought,
5, 6. She said G-A-G-O. Oh my.
That's a bad word.
Words.
Brad! Nagsabi ka, Brad, ng bad word, D-A-G-O.
No, I'm not the one who saying that. That brother.
Ay!
That the blue shirt. She said G-A-G-O. Oh my.
Brad! Oh!
And the one who G-A-G-O. Oh no. Oh, get some
Magigising, Brad,
silly.
yung mga ano, Brad.
Silly. The red one. Get what? The silly.
Magigising
Okay.
dito, Brad, yung mga ano.
No. Get and make it ipon-ipon. So that
unti
when
naman
you
ito,
go,
Brad.
there's lots over there in the fields.
I will eat this in the
Okay.
field in the Philippines.
Okay.
Ay, yung nabibili ko, nakababad na yung formalin.
Okay.
No.
Open your mouth. Very nice. Amazing.
No, no spiciness.
Yes. Very nice. You're so very top guy. You're so very top girl.
Top mama.
You know top? What is top in Tagalog?
Paano ka dyan, Brad?
Ano? Ano?
Eh, may kasi nakalaki ng likod. Ang buta ng katawan. Uy.
Uy,
Uy.
ang dami natin bunga ng ano doon.
Uy ko.
Hindi.
I got in the Madre cacao.
No, this is not Madre cacao. This is cacao. A cacao is from the tree of this. And this is the cacao fruits, okay? What it's right,
What it-
it's color yellow,
What it is? So
okay?
what's up?
And when you get the yellow, you
Natawa na si
open
Brad
that
sa'yo, Brad.
and you eat.
Eat, Brad.
No, you make ipon first. Okay, don't give
Brad,
to me.
walang busa.
Wala eh. Don't.
Meron, Brad.
No.
Bawal magsinungaling.
No, get
Bawal magsinungaling.
go. You're so very interrupting our vlogging.
Yes.
Wala ka magagaling. Patapong ko.
Okay,
Brad,
we're going down in the mountains. Oh my, you're so very. Don't.
Wag. Oy, tulungan natin si Brad Romy. Hindi ako magsusunod dito. Hindi! Tagay mo na hindi. Akala ko. Kasi yung dalawa, panakuha ko. Tara, mag-ano tayo.
It's very ugly.
Wow!
What?
The ugly woman.
Hey, ugly woman.
Yan yung pangalan ng buko.
See, you call ugly. He looks at you.
I think she's a self-proclaimed.
Okay.
Self-proclaimed.
That she is
Ugly woman.
Oh, old man. Oh my.
There's the old man.
Oh, guaba.
You like guava? Okay. Catcher siguro to nung baseball. Catcher ba? Pitcher? Pitcher pa rin.
Kaya mo magsuot.
Pitcher ba yung gano'n?
Yes.
And the catcher is the...
Yes, in the hands and like
Yeah,
this.
you like when you and the one eats and what do you like? Ano what? Yeah, there's a big banana.
Can I try some?
Okay, get
I'm
some.
foreigner.
Okay, okay. No, I don't get it. Yeah, just black it.
Oh, yes.
First.
This is the guava or the bayabas in the Philippines.
Oh,
Oh!
my. Oh, the monkey one.
The monkey, this is the native monkey.
The native monkey in the mountain.
In the mountains, you can only see
We
this
are
in the Philippines.
very grateful that she is, what do you call that?
Exotic.
Pakita sa atin.
And then,
Ay,
and then
visible to us.
Yeah, visible to us. That native monkey. Oh,
Oh, it's very rare. It's only in the Philippines you
yeah,
can
in the
find.
mountain of Tanay, you know.
You too like monkey.
Oh,
wow.
that's
She's
the,
talking
ano,
like us.
that's
but she's
the
monkey.
special. Ano yun?
Kainin mo. Eat all the foods you get here.
Ano, hindi nakita na video mo. Nakatago.
Oh,
The bayabas? The
oh, the bayabas is